Good morning, my great scholars. You are all welcome back to online class. Today's topic is nutrients, and we are going to talk about sources of food, that is, sources of nutrients, and functions of food. Objectives. At the end of the class, you should be able to explain nutrients and food. List the sources of nutrients. Explain functions of nutrients. State the symptoms of kwashiorkor. And also, you should be able to state the chemical name of vitamin C. Nutrients are chemical substances found in food. Nutrients are chemical substances found in food. For example, rice, yam, bread. The chemical substances found in all those foods is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, that is the chemical substances found in rice, bread, garri, etc. Food, it is any substance, liquid or solid, consumed to provide nutritional support for the body. When you talk about food, it is any substance. It could be in liquid form, like water, like drinks, like soft drinks, like your juice, or in solid form, like bread, yam, rice. Consumed, that is, when you eat it, it provides nutritional support for the body. That is, it provides the required nutrients that the body needs. Now, what are the sources of nutrients? Water. You can get water from well water, tap water, river water, rainwater, etc. Vitamins from fruits. For example, like pawpaw, orange, mango, apple, watermelon, etc. Fat and oil. You can get fat and oil from vegetable oil, from groundnut, palm oil, margarine, etc. Protein. We have two types of protein. We have plant protein and animal protein. The plant protein examples are from beans, soya beans, all the legumes, all the foods that are in legume shape. When you talk about legumes, you're talking about beans, all those food like that. They are plant protein. They are plant protein. Now, animal protein, these we can get them from animals. For example, fish, egg, meat, chicken, milk. As you can see the pictures on the screen. Those are animal protein. Now, minerals are from vegetables like carrot, okra, cabbage, lettuce, water leaf, garden egg, etc. All these are minerals. Then carbohydrates, rice, yam, garri, amala, which is from yam flour, cocoyam, cornflakes. No, cornflakes is from corn or maize, plantain, semovita, etc. All these are carbohydrate food. As you can see the pictures on the screen. This is garri. The picture on the screen. This is garri, and it is from cassava. But while this is yam, they are carbohydrate food. Now we are quickly going to talk about functions of nutrients. That is all the nutrients that I've mentioned before. We are going to talk one after the other about their functions. Now, protein. Protein builds up the body and it repairs worn out tissues in the body. When you talk about repairs worn out tissues in the body, for example, when you have any cut, after some days, you will notice that another flesh is trying to recover the wound. That is the work of protein. That is, you need to eat more of proteinous food as children because it builds up the body, it promotes growth, it repairs worn out tissues. And this nutrient is very good for growing children. Lack of protein, that is, if you don't have adequate protein in the diet, it causes kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor, you can see the pictures, you can see this picture. These are children that are suffering from from lack of protein. That is kwashiorkor. Symptoms of kwashiorkor: have big stomach, as you can see the picture. You have big stomach. Can you see it? You have big stomach. Thin hands and legs, as you can see it from the picture. Thin hands and legs. Then fluffy colored hair. These are the symptoms of kwashiorkor, as you can see. If you look at you can see fluffy colored hair. So these are the signs or symptoms of kwashiorkor. That is, kwashiorkor is lack of protein in the diet. If the children do not have enough of protein in the diet, it causes kwashiorkor. That is, lack of protein in the diet, it causes kwashiorkor. And these are the symptoms: big stomach, as you can see the pictures on the screen, thin hands and thin legs, fluffy colored hair. Minerals. It helps our bones and teeth to grow strong and healthy. So as children, we need to eat more of vegetables. Vitamins. It protects the body from diseases. That is, fruits. We need fruits. Water. It helps to transport food to different parts of the body. And it also helps to eliminate waste products from the body. Yes, when you eat food, then thereafter when you drink water, it helps transport food to different parts of the body, and also it helps in order to eliminate waste product from the body in the form of urine. Carbohydrates. It gives energy to the body. Too much of carbohydrate causes weight gain, as you can see the picture on the screen. Look at that boy. Fat and oil. It supplies heat and keeps the body warm. That is the function of fat and oil. It supplies heat and keeps the body warm. Nutrients. We are still talking about nutrients. Now, fresh fruits contain vitamin C. Fresh fruits contain vitamin C. The chemical name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Types of vitamins. We have water-soluble vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins. I'm just trying to explain this, but by the time you go to secondary school, you'll learn more, or when you get to higher institution. Types of vitamins. We have fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins. Under the fat-soluble vitamins, examples, we have vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which is known as ADEK. Then water-soluble vitamins, for example, we have vitamin B and vitamin C. Remember that I've said earlier on that nutrients are the chemical substances found in food, like in egg, in fish, meat. The chemical substances found in all those foods is protein. So there are 6 classes of food, which are carbohydrates, protein, fat and oil, water, vitamins, and minerals. Children, remember, these are the 6 classes of food. They are carbohydrates, protein, fat and oil, water, vitamins, and minerals. Children, before we conclude, from these 6 classes of food, we are able to obtain the 3 food groups, which are energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. So remember that there are 6 classes of food: carbohydrates, protein, fat and oil, water, vitamins, and minerals. And from these 6 classes of food, we are able to derive we are able to get the 3 food groups, which are energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. When you talk about energy giving foods, you're talking about carbohydrates and fat and oil. Then bodybuilding foods, we're talking about protein. Then the energy, okay, I've discussed about energy giving food. Then when you talk about protective foods, we're talking about vitamins and minerals. My great scholars, attempt your quiz on the Edmodo platform. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.